Statistics. The word might remind you of boring math classes or confusing graphs, but wait a minute. Statistics is much more than that. It's about understanding the world around us using the power of numbers. Cool, huh? So, subscribe and repost this video on your social networks. We encounter statistics every day without even realizing it. Think about your social media app. It uses statistics to show you posts that you will like. Or imagine watching a football game. The statistics tell us which team is most likely to win based on past performance. From the weather forecast you check in the morning to the traffic updates you receive on your phone, statistics are everywhere. They help us make sense of information, predict what might happen next, and even make decisions. Intrigued? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of statistics together. Let's discover how Ever wondered how accurate the weather forecast is? This is probability in action. Probability is simply the chance of something happening. It helps us predict future events based on the likelihood of them occurring. If a weather app says there is a 70% chance of rain today, it doesn't mean it will definitely rain. It means that in 100 similar days, it probably rained on 70 of them, so grabbing an umbrella is a good idea. Probability helps us make informed decisions even when we can't know the future. It's used in several areas, from predicting traffic jams Remember those bulletins with averages? That's descriptive statistics in action. This branch of statistics helps us summarize and describe data in a meaningful way. It's like taking a messy pile of numbers and organizing them into something we can easily understand. Imagine your teacher wants to understand how the class performed on the last math test. Instead of looking at each student's score individually, they can use descriptive statistics. The average score tells us the overall performance of the class, and the range shows the difference between the highest and lowest scores. Descriptive statistics help us see patterns and trends in data, compare things, identify outliers, and get a clear idea. Ever wondered how electoral polls predict who might win? That's the magic of inferential statistics. It allows us to draw conclusions about a large group of people, a population, by studying a smaller sample. Imagine trying to ask every voter who they will vote for. That would be impossible. Instead, research institutes interview a smaller, random group of people and use inferential statistics to analyze the responses from this sample and make predictions about the entire voting population. Of course, these predictions aren't always perfect, but they give us a good idea of what to expect. Inferential statistics are used in many areas, from medical research to market analysis. They help us test theories, make generalizations, and better understand the world around us. So, how do probability, descriptive statistics, and inferential statistics manifest in our daily lives? These statistical concepts are constantly working behind the scenes, shaping our understanding of the world and influencing our decisions. Take weather forecasting, for example. Meteorologists use sophisticated models to analyze large amounts of data from temperature. But the influence of statistics extends far beyond weather and sports. It's used in healthcare to develop new treatments, in finance to manage investments, and in marketing to reach consumers with personalized ads. From the moment we wake up until the time we go to sleep, statistics play a crucial role in shaping our experiences and interactions with the world. So, the next time you check the weather app, watch a basketball game, or even browse online, remember the invisible hand of statistics in action. Statistics isn't just for scientists and mathematicians. It's a powerful tool that can help us make better decisions in our own lives. By understanding basic statistical concepts, we can become more informed consumers, smarter buyers, and better decision makers in our personal relationships. For example, imagine you're trying to choose between two different phone plans. One offers unlimited data for $80 per month, while the other offers 10 gigabytes of data for $50 per month. By analyzing your past data usage, you can use statistics to determine which plan is most cost-effective. So, don't be intimidated by statistics. Embrace them as a valuable tool that can empower you to make smarter choices and live a fuller life. In today's data-driven world, understanding trends and patterns is more important than ever. From social media trends to market fluctuations, data is constantly shaping our understanding of the world and influencing our decisions. At the heart of this data revolution is the power of statistics. Statistics give us the tools and techniques to extract meaningful insights from raw data. By analyzing data sets, we can identify trends, detect anomalies, and discuss. For businesses, data analysis can reveal customer preferences, market trends, and competitive issues. For policymakers, it can inform policy decisions, track progress against goals, and improve public services. For individuals, understanding data can help us make informed choices about our health, finances, and overall well-being. So, embrace the power of data and the insights it can provide. By learning to interpret data and recognize trends, you can gain a deeper understanding of the world around you and make more informed decisions. Although statistics cannot predict the future with absolute certainty, it provides us with a powerful lens through which we can anticipate future trends, evaluate potential risks, and make informed decisions about the future. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, we can gain valuable insights into what the future might hold. For example, when analyzing population growth trends, demographers can project future population sizes and age distributions, which can inform policy decisions related to health, education, and social security. Similarly, economists use statistical models to predict economic growth, inflation rates, and unemployment levels, providing valuable insights for businesses and policymakers. Of course, predicting the future is never an exact science. Unexpected events, changing circumstances, and random fluctuations can impact future results. Therefore, embrace the power of statistics as a tool to understand the past, navigate the present, and shape the future. Statistics is far from being a dry and intimidating subject. It is a vibrant and essential field that permeates every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. By understanding the basic principles of probability, descriptive statistics, and inferential statistics, we can unlock a deeper understanding of the world around us. Statistics allows us to make sense of data, identify trends, predict future outcomes, and make more informed decisions in all areas of our lives. So, embrace the world of statistics, challenge your assumptions, and never stop questioning the numbers. Cool, right? Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.